Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. Welcome to our latest tutorial on how to unblock your condenser coil, 2025. If you're dealing with a stuffy home and your AC isn't cooling as efficiently as it should, a blocked condenser coil might be the culprit. By 2025, with stricter energy standards and rising temperatures, keeping your AC in top shape is essential for saving money and staying comfortable. I'm excited to walk you through this step-by-step process. It's easier than you think. First off, let's quickly cover what a condenser coil is. It's the outdoor part of your air conditioning unit that releases heat from your home. Over time, it can get clogged with dirt, leaves, and debris, reducing efficiency and potentially causing breakdowns. Don't worry. With a few simple tools and some caution, you can fix this yourself. Before we start, safety is key. Always turn off the power to your AC unit at the circuit breaker to avoid any electrical hazards. Grab your tools. A soft brush, a garden hose, a vacuum with a brush attachment, and maybe some coil cleaner from the store. Step 1. Locate the condenser unit outside your home. Remove the access panel or grills carefully. Refer to your owner's manual if needed. Step 2. Use a soft brush or vacuum to gently remove loose debris from the coils. Be gentle to avoid bending the fins. Step 3. If it's really dirty, spray it down with a garden hose on a low pressure setting, working from the inside out to flush away grime. For stubborn buildup, apply a mild coil cleaner and let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing. Once you're done, let everything dry completely, usually about 30 minutes, then reattach the panels. Turn the power back on and test your AC. You should notice improved airflow and cooler air right away. There you have it. Your condenser coil is unblocked and ready for 2025's heat waves. Remember, if you're unsure or the problem persists, call a professional to avoid any damage. Thanks for watching, and hit that like button if this helped. Stay cool, and we'll see you in the next video.